Hi and welcome. Today I'm sharing a different video. It's my traveler's journal setup for our upcoming summer holidays. I did something similar 3 years ago when we were on holidays, and I had so much fun going through all the ephemera we've collected and all the photos and the notes we took. So I definitely want to have something like this year too. So I've created this little journal where I can write about every day and collect flyers or recipes or things like that. I have made this journal from the Eileen Hull Journal die from Sizzix. Normally the book is bigger when you cut it. I just cut off the top and the bottom about 3 centimeters, and then I punched new holes to pull my elastic through, and that's it. That's pretty easy. And of course I rounded the edges again with the corner jumper, but that's not necessary. The papers I've used are all from a store called Action. It's from the Netherlands, and we have some stores here in Germany and I believe in some other European countries. And I used a paper pad that was a mix-up paper pad with pattern papers and also the ephemera pieces and some stickers. And I love these bright colors so much, so I wanted to make an album from it. I made my own pocket inserts. It's pretty easy to do this. I made it from pattern papers and it's very easy. I just fold the piece on the bottom and I cut an angle and I add here another piece to create a second pocket, and I glued it on the edges with a little flap. It's pretty easy, and there are so many YouTube tutorials how you can do this, and I did the same with the foil. I cut it in half and then I just sewed the opening, and I cut it at an angle on one side and I sewed the middle part. And there I am storing my ephemera pieces that I want to use on the go. I also will take my Canon selfie printer with me so I can print out photos every day, and I can fill this journal right in our holidays. In this envelope there are also some tiny ephemera pieces from the paper pad, and I will use these in my notebook to decorate it a little bit. This envelope is empty and I'm sure I use it later for little notes or for little tickets, something like that. And this is the final journal. And I've already added some information to the journal. Here you see how it's going to look like. I can write something every day, and I can add here some photos and also some of the beautiful ephemera pieces. On the back side there is also a little pocket like on the front, and I have 2 tags with washi tape that matches my papers a little bit, and I have cut down the sticker sheet from the paper pad so I can put it in there. And the last sticker sheet is not from this paper pad, but I thought it was nice. So that's my traveler's notebook. I also have a travel art bag, of course, because I can't live without paints. So if you're interested to see what I take with me in my art bag to create during our holidays, just leave me a comment and then I can film also a flip through my art bag. Thanks for watching today. Bye!